Good morning, students. I am Deepak Kumar from Residential Bright Career Academy, Navada. We have to study trigonometry of class 10th in mathematics. We learned what is theta, and it is base. It is perpendicular and it is hypotenuse. It is also denoted by H and it is B and it is P. It is depend on angle theta, what will be the perpendicular and what will be the base. It is always changed according to theta. If theta is angle A, then it will become perpendicular and it will become base. In trigonometric ratio, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Cosec theta. Sin theta is equal to P by H. It means perpendicular. And perpendicular is here AB. If theta angle C, AB upon AC. Cos theta is equal to B by H. Here B is equal to BC and H is equal to AC. Tan theta is equal to P by B. Here P is equal to AB and B is equal to BC. Cot theta is equal to B by P and B is equal to BC and P is equal to AB. Similarly, sec theta is equal to H by B. H is equal to AC and B is equal to BC and cosec theta is equal to H by P. Here H is equal to AC and P is equal to AB. These are the trigonometric ratios. We have to also know about the inverse of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. So, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta and sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, we inverse we have to find cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta and sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta and cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Next, tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta and tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. These are the important things in this chapter. We have to learn all this formula. In this formula, we have to learn only one formula, sin theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Next, all are the inverse of the position. Okay. From exercise 8.1 of NCERT, question number 2, tan P minus cot R, find the value of these things. Here a given figure in which angle Q is equal to 90 degree and PQ is equal to 12 centimeter and PR is equal to 13 centimeter. At first we have to find out the length of QR. What will be the length of QR? It is base and QR is equal to, it is written as root under PR square minus PQ square. Here PR is equal to 13 centimeter, it means 13 centimeter to the square and 12 centimeter to the square. The square of 13 is equal to 169 here 144 and it is centimeter out of this root. Here 25 centimeter and it will be 5 centimeter. Now we have to find the value of tan p minus cot r. At first, tan p is equal to, here theta is equal to p degree, so tan theta is equal to p by b and p become qr and b become pq. Here qr is equal to 5 centimeter and pq is equal to 12 centimeter. It means 5 by 12 and cot theta is equal to b by p. According to r, b is equal to q1 and p is equal to pq. So it will also become 5 by 12. Now tan p minus cot r is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. It means it will become g. That's all. Again, next question of exercise 8.1 of question number 7 to the first one. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, then we have to find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. We can write here, if we know formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. It means it will become 1 to the square minus sin square theta and it will become 1 square minus cos square theta. Here we can write 1 square to the, it is also written as only 1 minus sin square theta and it is 1 minus cos square theta. Here we can write 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. And here 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. And cos theta upon sin theta, it is also known as tan theta. And here a square, so it is written as tan square theta. Tan square theta, it is 1 upon cot square theta. Here cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So we can write 1 upon 7 by 8 to the square, and it is also in next form 8 upon 7 to the square. It means 8 8 are 64 and 7 7 are 49. It will be the answer. This question is also we can solve by another method. We can solve this question by another method. Here we can draw a triangle. Let this is angle A and angle B and angle C, and it is of 90 degree, and let the angle C is theta degree. Here given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, cot theta is equal to B by P. It means it will be 7 and it will be 8. We have to find at first AC. We can find AC is equal to root under AB square plus BC square. Here AB square is equal to 8 to the square and BC square is equal to 7 to the square. 8 8 is 64 and 7 7 are 49, and it will become 9 4 13, carry 1 and 11. Root under 1 1 3 unit. Now we have to 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. We can erase and 1 plus sin theta. Sin theta is equal to P by H. Here sin theta P, it will root under 1 1 3. P here 8 upon 113 root under into 1 plus minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta is equal to 8 upon 113 to the root under. Similarly, we can write here 1 plus cos theta. Cos theta is equal to b by h. It means 7 upon root under 113 into 1 minus 7 upon root under 113. Here we can multiply or put this process by the formula of a plus b into a minus b. We can write 1 to the square, it means 1, minus b square. 8 to the square means 64, and root under 113 to the square, it is written only 113 upon 1 minus 7 to the square is equal to 49, and root under 113 is square is equal to 113. And in next step we can write 113 as a LCM, and here 113 minus 64 upon 113 minus 49 upon 113. It will be cancelled from this. Now 13 4 minus करेंगे 9, and it will be 4, and here 13 में 9 minus करेंगे 4, and it will be 7 8. We can minus from 113 minus 64, it will become 49, and from 113 minus 49 it will become 64, and it will be the answer. In this exercise, next question of question number 8, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, then check. It means we have to check this question. It means 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. इसका मतलब कि ये इसके बराबर है या नहीं. At first we find out the relation of the side in a right angle triangle. Here ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. It is given that 3 cot A is equal to 4. It means cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. Cot theta is equal to B by P. It means AB is equal to 4 unit and BC is equal to 3 unit. At first we have to find the unit of AC. It means we can find out AC. AC is equal to root under. It is a hypotenuse. It is always equal to the sum of a square of another two sides. So it is BC square plus AB square. It means we can write here basic value of BC is equal to 3 unit. We can square, and it is 4 unit. We can also square. Now it is 9 unit and 16 unit. It is 25 and it will be 5 unit. Here written 5 unit. Now in LHS, it is given that 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. At first we have to find out the value of tan A and put this value in this question. We can write here 1 minus tan A. Tan theta is equal to P by B. It means we can write 3 upon 4 to the square. It means 3 upon 4 to the square upon 1 plus 3 upon 4 to the square. We can write 1 minus 9 upon 16 upon 1 plus 9 upon 16. We can take LCM 16. It will be 16 minus 9, and here we can also take LCM 16. It will be 16 plus 9. We can cancel 16 from 16. Now we minus 16 minus 9, 7, and here 25. The value of LHS is 7 upon 25. We can find out the value of RHS. Then We can erase it and we write here RHS. In RHS term, we can write cos square A minus sin square A. Now, the help of this side, we can find the value of cos theta and sin theta. Cos A is equal to B by H. Here B is equal to 4 and H is equal to 5. To the square, it means square. Sin A is equal to P by H. It means 3 upon 5 to the square. Now it will be 16 upon 25 minus 9 upon 25. We can take LCM 25. It will be 16 minus 9. It means 7 by 25. It is clear that the value of LHS is 7 upon 25 and the value of RHS is also 7 upon 25. We can say LHS is equal to RHS. हाय स्टूडेंट्स, क्लास 10 के जितने भी सारे बच्चे हैं, जहाँ भी आप लोग रह रहे हैं, सबसे पहले प्रिकॉशन इज बेटर देन क्योर। एहतियात जो है इलाज से बेहतर है और अपने आप की सुरक्षा रखते हुए आप पढ़ाई पर भी ख्याल रखें। और मैं तो आपके पास आ नहीं आ सकता हूँ, बट कोशिश करेंगे कि हम लोग प्रत्येक दिन आपसे रूबरू हों। जिस भी माध्यम से हो, हम लोग आपसे कांटेक्ट करने की कोशिश करेंगे। और एनसीईआरटी से 8.1 में जितने भी सारे मेन प्रॉब्लम थे, मैंने उसको सोल्व किया है। इसके बावजूद भी अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आपको रह जाएगी तो आप व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे लिख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर। हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर उसको सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू।